So in today's session, we learn how we can calculate revenue for financial projection for your business in a realistic way without guessing numbers. So we can start by understanding your product or service properly. So first you need clarity on what you are selling, who your target customers and market are, and at what price you are offering it to the market. So without this basic foundation, any revenue number you can calculate will be meaningless. Once that is clear, don't jump to big numbers. So start with a realistic assumption of how many customers you can acquire in first month. This should be based on your capacity, market efforts and actual reach, not assumption. After that, you need to adjust this number based on market growth. If your industry is growing at say 10 to 20% monthly or gradually increasing in demand, then your customer base should also grow accordingly. This gives you a logical increase in customer instead of random jumps. So now comes the most important part, that is retention. Not all customers leave after one purchase. A certain percentage of your existing customer will come back always. For example, if you have 100 customer and your retention is 60%, then 60 customer will continue into the next month. This becomes your base on top of the retained customer. Then add new acquired customer in that month. So your total customers are always a combination of retained customers plus new acquisition. This cycle continues every single month and create a much more realistic growth pattern for a 5 years or 10 years. You can finally, once you have the correct number of customers for each month, you can multiply it by your pricing to calculate revenue. So this way, your revenue is not just a random figure, it is built on actual business logic. Also, your approach may be differ based on your business type. Like in B2B, you will have a fewer customer but higher pricing and stronger retention. And in B2C, you will have more customer, lower pricing and comparatively lower retention. So you will depend more on continuous acquisition and retention in the market. In simple terms, real revenue is not just customer multiplied by prices. It's a combination of customer acquisition, market growth and retention working together. If you understand this, your projection will start looking like real business number, not just Excel assumptions.